Hey everyone, today you're going to learn how to draw Barbie from the brand new Barbie movie as you draw along with me, Sterling Freeman, creator of Little Dreamers character art and teacher on Outschool. After this video, you're going to have an amazing drawing, so if you got your pencil and papers ready, we're going to go ahead and get started. Before we get started, I do want to say that we're going to be going a little bit fast on the drawing, but you're welcome to pause the video at any point to catch up on steps and draw at your own pace. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so to start our Barbie drawing, we actually want to start with this top part of the line for her hairline right here. So if you make a little wavy line like this, that's the top part of the hairline, and we know that the frame of the face is going to fit under that. So I'm going to come down right here, curve a little bit for my cheek. So little line coming down, and then I kind of curve in a little bit for my cheek, and then that's going to lead me to my chin, which will be right here. Okay? And under that, I have the first part of the neck. Okay? If we go back up to where we started, this line that we did for the hair, now we're going to make this little part in the hair here, and now we are going to bring a line down the other side right there. Okay? So that's the other side of the hair. Now we know that the ear will be somewhere behind this hair, so we can go ahead and make a little circle, or part of a circle kind of sticking out from there, and it should be above that jawline there. Okay? Now for the next part, we are going to come down right here. And so this gives us a good frame for the face. Alright? Now for the actual face, we're going to make our nose. You always want to start with the nose, because that helps you figure out where everything else should be. So we got our nose here, and then we have our mouth, and we're going to draw her mouth open with the teeth under there, and then we have a curve for our tongue. So the rest of that's the inside of the mouth. And then we're going to make a little bottom lip here with a little top lip right there. After this, we're going to scoot over a little bit from the nose, and we're going to make a curve for the eye like that, and then we'll also do one going this way. And under that will be the eyes. So when you're drawing female eyes, they usually have like a little slant to them, especially when you're drawing them as a cartoon. You'll notice that when drawing a female eye. And then we're going to add in our eyelashes while making this top line a little thicker. Okay? And then we can add a little line for the eyebrows here and here. And then we'll add in the pupils. Okay, so usually just getting started, that first part can take a little bit of time. Alright. Now once we have this, we're going to make some pearls around her neck. So you just draw some little circles here. And then that is where the shoulders will come out. Here and here. Okay? Now we know we have one arm coming down this way and out here. So that's one arm. And the other arm is curving and coming out this way. And then you'll see a little fold where we come up right here And before we get to the hand, we can make some little pearls right there. And then we got the curve for her hand with a little thumb sticking out. Okay? On this side, you'll have a little mitten hand like this. And then you'll come back this way. Okay? Let's make a curve for the collar of her dress. And then we're going to curve down here under the armpit. And then here, you'll make a little hump right there as we bring the dress down along the body here. On this side, you're going to make a slant, and then you'll curve this way. And then we'll end the dress with a curve here. And all we got to do is bring this arm back here. Alright, so that's going to give us the positioning that we want for Barbie. For the belt buckle, let's make a little square with another little square in it. And we're going to make the rest of the belt here. For the legs, we have a leg coming down this way. And then we have the calf, also right there. And then on this side, the knee is bent. And then the leg is coming out over here. Okay? We'll come down here, go over to the side, and then curve for the heels. Make a little heel there. And then we got the rest of the shoe. On this side, curving down, slanting up here. And then we got a heel there. Alright, and so from here, all we gotta do is make a few details. So, we have her mirror right there. And then we make her purse hanging right there. We've got 2 dots. And then you're just going to make 2 trapezoids. And then this one's kind of hiding behind this one. Or if you want to make a different purse, of course, you can always have the option of doing that. And then finally, going from the part in the hair, we're going to curve over this way and make a wavy line going down. And then on this side, we have the hair flowing out this way and coming back to the body there. And once you got that, you got Barbie. And so we're going to go ahead and take our time to grab our colored pencils, crayons, and markers. Alright, so that is our Barbie drawing for the day. I hope you all had a great time drawing with me. I definitely had a great time creating with you and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Now, if you want more opportunities to improve on your drawing skills and draw with me in real time, you can check out my Little Dreamers character art classes only on Outschool through the links below. But until then, you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.